Hello. Today in class for biology, we did these things. So you can look on Google Classroom for today's classwork. So for the do now, I asked you to find something green. I shared this. I have lots of green things. So I asked you to get something green and we shared them. And then for in class, we talked about kind of what is biology. So we went to Google and we typed in biology and we looked at the pictures and we saw that biology is about life and living things and DNA and cells and animals and plants and humans and maybe the heart or the brain. So we looked at kind of what is biology. And then we wrote some of those things down, right? And then after, we talked about the syllabus. So the syllabus is a place that talks about the class. It says, here's what we're doing in class. Here's what you need for class. Here is what you should do every day. Here's what we're going to be learning. And here's what our grades are going to be. Right, so what I did was I showed you that if you don't know how to read something, so let's say I don't know what this means. I don't understand this English. Maybe I will copy it. And then I'll copy. And then I can go to translate.com. Translate.google.com, and I'll put it here, and then it'll translate it for me into Spanish. I can change it to French. I can change it to, let's see, Portuguese. Right? So if I don't understand something, I can go over here and I can translate it. So we talked about how you can text me on Remind or message me or email me. We talked about you need a computer. You need maybe a notebook like this so you can write in it. And we talked about back to school night, which is on Thursday, August 27th. Okay, so here's what we're doing in class. You go on Google Classroom and you look for the do now. You go to Zoom and I see you on Zoom here. And then in class, maybe we'll talk about biology a little bit and then we'll do some practicing. Maybe we'll write something. Maybe we will use a worksheet or move things around. So that's what we're going to do. And then anything we don't finish is homework. Yeah, and then here's how you can get help from me if you need to. And then this is all of our things about grades. So I'm going to give you grades on your assignments. I'm going to give you grades on if we do any labs or experiments together. I'm going to grade you on some projects. I don't know if we're going to have any tests yet, but I'm still going to see what you know and what you learned on here. Okay, and then here are some of the things that we're talking about this semester. We're learning about plants, we're learning about animals, maybe some old animals like dinosaurs. We're talking about our bodies and why do we look like our moms and dads. We're going to talk about how animals work together, the earth, all of those things. Okay, so, and then this was the part that we did together. This is the homework part. So you want to put your name here. So I would write my name. My name is Miss Nguyen. And I would say, yes, I agree. And then today is 8/18. Okay, and then this is for your mom or your dad or somebody at home. So let's say this is my dad's name. My dad. I would write his email. So let's say his email is this. don't know. I'll just make one up. And let's see, his phone number. Again, I'm gonna make it up there. And then this is where you show it to your mom and your dad and you say, look, this is what we're learning in biology. This is how our biology class works. And then your mom and your dad is going to say, yes, I see. Okay, and then you're gonna put the date. The last part here is when can they talk on the phone, or maybe when can I call them to talk on the phone? So maybe 5 to 8 p.m. or something like that. So when you are finished with this, you can go back to Google Classroom and then you're gonna turn it in. Yeah, so you're gonna click I'm done with the assignment and then it'll show it to me. Okay, so that's it. And then I told you guys you can use this notebook or you can use on the computer, and here's the one that you can use on the computer, and I just showed it to you. So it looks like this. Right, so you can put stickers on here. You can make your own. And then we did some writing in the notebook. So we'll look more of this next time. All right, bye.